Example 2. Notice again we have on top a binomial structure. This time we have x cubed minus 8. Okay? I'm noticing and I'm recognizing this is a difference of two cubes. X times x cubed, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 cubed, or is 2 cubed is 8, and then being subtracted. Recognition of a structure, then write the answer. The cube root of x cubed is x, the cube root of 8 is 2, with the same sign. Second parentheses, we square the first guy, we add the product of the two guys, we add the second guy squared. You recognize a structure, you write an answer. That's how factoring binomials is supposed to happen. Some of you guys are still having trouble with this. I don't know how to make it any easier. The struggles most of you are having is you don't do cube roots well, and that goes back to your ability to do cube roots back from Algebra 1 and 7th and 8th grade math, recognition of things. So the cube root of a perfect cube, so cube root of x cubed is x, the cube root of 8 is 2, that's just what they are. At this moment in your life, that should be like, well, what is 2 plus 2 equal? 4, right? What's the cube root of 8? 2. It's supposed to be something you're supposed to know. So either you know it or you don't know it. If you don't know it, you need to stick it in your brain. You need to know it. So start learning your facts so that you have these knowledgeable things in your brain so that you're able to do this kind of stuff. So the cube roots go there, same sign, and then that squared makes that times that makes that squared makes that. The signs are the same, the opposite, and plus. That's just how they factor. Over. The bottom is another quadratic trinomial. This is 1x squared, so we're looking for numbers multiplied to make negative 18. That subtract, or they should add to make positive 7. So 9 times negative 2 makes negative 18. 9 plus negative 2 makes positive 7. Right? So again, factor the top, factor the bottom. Notice there's still a quadratic structure on top here. Right here, there's a quadratic structure. There's a possibility that that might factor again. You know, anytime you see a power breaker, one you have to consider maybe it factors again. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and tell you when you're dealing with a sum or difference of cubes, a basic one like this, that this typically does not factor again. All right? So if I tried, if I don't know if it factors or not, you always go quadratic formula on it. If you try quadratic formula on this, you're going to get an imaginary answer. As soon as you get imaginaries, it doesn't factor. So this is not factorable. So everything that is factorable came down to here. And then notice x minus 2 on top matches x minus 2 on the bottom, so they cancel. That's what I'm looking to do when I'm factoring these things. I'm looking to see if they have a common factor so I can cancel stuff out. The other stuff doesn't factor, so I can't do anything else to it. So the leftover on top is x squared plus 2x plus 4. The leftover on the bottom is x plus 9. That's my solution, my simplified form. Okay, what does x not equal this time? Negative 9 and
2.
Positive 2. Yeah, go back to the factored form right here. Negative 9 plus 9 is 0, so negative 9 is illegal. 2 minus 2 is 0, so 2 is illegal. Write the simplified form. List the numbers x is not allowed to be.